Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best table saws is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your workshop. Whether you're a seasoned carpenter or a weekend DIY enthusiast, a table saw can dramatically improve the accuracy and efficiency of your projects. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of table saws, exploring their features, benefits, and what to look for when choosing the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Rockwell RK7323 BladeRunner X2 Portable Tabletop Saw. This portable table saw is easy to set up. You can take it to any job site or move it around the workshop. There is even a built-in carry handle. With the standard guard and riving knife system, it can perform various cuts. You can rip, cross, scroll, and miter with this saw. It uses any brand standard 4-inch T-shank blade. The package includes 5 blades to get you started. You can cut wood, ceramic tile, plastic, aluminum, and metal with it. With the adjustable gauge, you can pull off precise miter cuts. It is perfect for a whole assortment of woodworking projects. When the miter gauge, rip fence, and extra blades aren't in use, they can be conveniently housed in the base of the saw. The safety switch prevents accidental starting. Plus, the vacuum port lets you hook up a shop vac that cleans while you cut. What we like. This saw sets up in seconds, making it incredibly convenient for quick projects. The toolless blade change allows for easy switching between different materials. If you're looking for a versatile and portable saw for various materials, it's a great choice. What people say. The saw's fence is accurate and easy to adjust. The dust collection system works well. The motor has plenty of power for cutting through hardwoods. Number 4. SKIL TS6307-00 10-inch Portable Jobsite Table Saw. This table saw features rack and pinion fence rails. This ensures the fence remains parallel to the blade. It allows for fast, smooth, and accurate cuts. The integrated folding stand makes this saw easy to move. The legs quickly fold in for portability and convenient storage. It's designed for your convenience. You can easily adjust the blade for parallel alignment. This micro-adjustment feature ensures the blade is parallel to the rip fence and miter slot. This enhances cutting precision. This saw has a 4x4 cutting capacity. It can cut materials up to 4x4 at 90 degrees. This makes it suitable for various projects. The saw offers a 2 to 47 degrees bevel capacity. It cuts between 2 positive stops at 0 and 45 degrees. A quick release lever makes adjustments easy. It includes a dust port elbow. This redirects dust to a container. This feature makes cleanup simple and efficient. What we like. The rack and pinion fence ensures precise and smooth cuts. The integrated folding stand provides excellent portability and convenient storage. If you need a saw with a large cutting capacity and easy setup, this is the one for you. What people say. The alignments were spot on right out of the box, making it a breeze to use without any adjustments needed. It's rugged, stable, powerful, and accurate. Plenty of power. Fence easily held its ground while ripping 16 lengths. Setup was fairly straightforward and getting it locked into cut straight was not a problem. Number 3. Worx WX572L BladeRunner Portable Tabletop Saw. This saw is great for cross and rip cuts. The steel rip fence and riving knife system allows you to make straighter, longer, and wider cuts with ease. Weighing less than 15 pounds, it's easy to move around. You can bring it to your workshop or even take it to the job site without any hassle. The adjustable miter gauge allows for 0 to 60 degree miter cuts from both sides. This feature enables you to make every common miter cut and any angle in between. It has an added safety switch and safety key for extra security. You don't have to worry about accidental starts with this saw. Worx tools are designed with cutting-edge technology. They meet modern efficiency standards, helping you build a cost-effective tool collection. It has onboard storage for miter gauge, rip fence, and blades. It comes with 5 blades for various materials. You'll also find a rip fence, miter gauge, dust extraction port, and blade grip. It sets up quickly to cut wood, metal, tile, aluminum, or plastic. What we like. This saw is truly portable, weighing less than 15 pounds, making it easy to move around. The adjustable miter gauge allows for a wide range of miter cuts. If you like a lightweight and versatile saw for your workshop or job site, consider this one. What people say. The BladeRunner is lightweight and easily portable, has a handle, and the plastic is durable if you handle it reasonably. Blade changes are ridiculously easy and quick, no tools needed. The vertical motion of the blade means that cutting with the rip fence as a sizing guide is very safe and recommended. It will not bind as a circular blade would. Number 2. SKIL 10-inch worm drive table saw, SPT 99-11. This is the SKIL 10-inch worm drive table saw. It features legendary worm drive gearing. This saw is built for heavy-duty use. It offers a 3 to 5/8 inch depth of cut and a 30 to 12 inch rip capacity. This allows the user to make a variety of cuts with ease. The precision rack and pinion fence system makes adjustments quick and smooth. This ensures accurate cuts every time. The rugged rolling stand has 16-inch wheels and easy load handles. This delivers unsurpassed mobility, making it easy to move around the job site. The dust port elbow keeps debris contained. This helps to keep the work area clean and tidy. The outfeed and left support allow for larger cuts. This allows one person to make larger cuts. What we like. This saw features legendary worm drive gearing for powerful performance. The rugged rolling stand with large wheels provides unsurpassed mobility. If you are looking for a heavy-duty saw with excellent mobility and precision, this is the one for you. What people say. I like the mobility, it is a great plus and it has plenty of power. The way the fence is gear-driven is good and more accurate. The extra 5/8 of an inch in blade height is a bonus as I can rip 4x4s in one pass. Tons of power for sure. Those are the biggies. I chose this saw for those reasons as well as the rack and pinion fence and the worm drive power. Number 1. DEWALT DWE 7485 8 to 14 inches. Compact table saw. This compact table saw offers a 24.5-inch rip capacity, perfect for handling large sheets of plywood or OSB. It's designed to make your cutting tasks more efficient and precise. Its compact size makes it easy to move around the job site and store when not in use. This feature ensures that the saw is always ready when you need it. The rack and pinion telescoping fence rails allow for quick, smooth, and accurate adjustments. This feature helps you achieve precise cuts every time. It includes onboard storage for the guard, fence, wrenches, and miter gauge. This keeps all the necessary accessories within easy reach. Featuring a metal roll cage base, it's built to withstand the rigors of the job site. This ensures that the tool can handle tough conditions. The SitePro modular guarding system allows for tool-free adjustments of the guarding. This makes it easy to set up and adjust the saw for different tasks. The power loss reset prevents accidental restarts after a power disruption. This safety feature ensures that the saw won't start unexpectedly when power is restored. What we like. This saw is compact and portable, making it easy to transport and store. The rack and pinion fence allows for fast and accurate adjustments. If you have limited space or need a saw you can easily take to different job sites, this is a great option. What people say. The 15-amp motor cuts through hardwood like butter, and the compact size makes it perfect for job sites or small shops. The rack and pinion fence adjustment is buttery smooth and incredibly accurate, which is rare at this price point. Quick high-precision cuts using the rack and pinion fence. Relatively lightweight and portable. Quality build. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.